In the aftermath of the battle, I went into the temple and I found a baby. Small, a giant's offspring, abandoned, suffering, left to die. Alfie's son.
Alfie's son?
Yes.
Why? You were knee-deep in Jotun blood. Why would you take me?
You were an innocent child.
No. You took me for a purpose. What was it? Tell me! Why you favored Thor all these years? Because no matter how much you claim to love me, you could never have a frost giant sitting on the throne of Asgard.
I love you, my sons. Remember this place.